Welcome back to the channel, Crypto Tro. I am Crypto Tro, bringing you the latest and the greatest in cryptocurrencies. And today, man, we're talking about DeFi kingdoms, and we're going to talk a little something that I saw that's bullish on DeFi kingdoms. And today is the official day for the giveaway, man. So I'm doing a giveaway with some heroes and some pet eggs. So we're going to talk about that. We're going to do that live here on this episode. And we're going to talk about much more DeFi kingdoms. But before I go too heavy into it, I got to let you know this is not financial advice whatsoever. This is just me talking about the cryptos, or specifically DeFi kingdoms that I invest in. So if you would like financial advice, always consult with the financial advisor before going too heavy. And also, happy Valentine's Day out there to all the lovers and friends. We making this video special, man. We making this video very special, and I'm in a giving mood. And today is the giveaway, so we're gonna get into it. But also, I gotta let you know this too. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn those notifications on, man, so you can get the videos sent directly to your phone every time I drop something. And you want to watch these videos ASAP, as soon as possible, because a lot of information in the crypto space can get outdated fast. And I try to update you guys as frequently as possible, but you know, a week in the crypto space is like 3 months, and a year in the crypto space is almost like a decade, man. So much stuff happened in crypto, and it moves so fast that yesterday's news could possibly be not relevant at all. So always keep updated on your crypto news, and Crypto Tro is the perfect channel to do so. So let's get into it. Let's talk. So right now I'm currently on Dex screen, and we on the CJEWEL and USDC pair. And we can see right now CJEWEL is at 25 cents, up 2%, really 3% on the day. So not too bad. Like I said, it's been really staying at that 20-cent mark. We saw last month, or 2 months ago rather, it went up to 33 cents. Still bullish in my eyes. Like I say every video, I'm buying CJEWEL under $1 because it's still super undervalued. I love everything that they're doing still with the project, and they update us so frequently that you always know what's going on within the project. Now, if I got to give any type of criticism to the project, I got to say they don't truly have a lot of marketing behind it. Only, you know, smaller YouTube channels like myself. Some YouTube or bigger YouTube channels have been picking up on it, but that's one of the things that I would like to see better in DeFi kingdoms. But at the same time, they continue to bid out the project. And me personally, I believe it could be better off waiting until we hit a bull run, or until the actual game is fully developed, where we start getting in a lot of marketing, and a lot of things just gonna start gelling together, like marketing. Once you get listed on a centralized exchange, that's coming very, very soon. And also a bull run. I feel like those three things put together will help CJEWEL price explode like crazy. So I'm sticking in for the long term. I don't really do, you know, the short term trading, and I like where the price is right now. So I'm just buying up CJEWEL like crazy. So I wanted to show you guys this video, man. This is a video from Avalanche Gaming, and this is, you know, gaming on AVAX, and this is a cooler video, and I feel like this is one thing that's going to also help continue to bring more people into the ecosystem, create more active wallets, and much, much more, just by having, you know, these big Twitter pages and also YouTube channels to continue to do the marketing. So let's watch this video and see what it's talking about.
What happens when you mix finance, technology, and gaming? You get this game called DeFi Kingdoms, which honestly fascinates me. So some of my favorite gaming experiences of all time revolved around these in-game economies that can arise in multiplayer games. And when I say in-game economy, think like when you use diamonds as currency in Minecraft, or how you'd find yourself optimizing your day around how many lobsters you can sell at the marketplace in RuneScape. And the interesting thing here is that these items really only derive value from our imagination. And what makes DeFi Kingdoms a little different is that every single item in this game, from the heroes to the items to the rewards you get from quest and PvP battles, Almost everything in this game is tokenized and can be exchanged for real-world value. And this is possible because the game itself is living on a blockchain. More specifically, its own Avalanche subnet. DeFi Kingdoms, to me, represents a new frontier in the entire gaming industry. And with this combination of finance, technology, and gaming, this seems like only a trend that we're going to see for years to come. And if you're curious, I put directions on how to play in the comment section. Thank you for watching.
So big shout out to Avalanche Gaming. Just giving their shout out to DeFi Kingdoms, because DeFi Kingdoms is one of the best crypto games out there in my personal opinion. Like he just stated, it's a full online economy, guys. Like this is a real economy. Now we are kind of low on liquidity. It's still, millions of dollars in there, but just think about when it gets back to a bull run and we see that $1 billion and we see, more players come in, then we're going to start to see how true of an economy this is and how people can easily, make money with this game. So if you want to, learn how to play the game, you can click on that, the actual post from Avalanche Gaming, and they gave you, a little tutorial on what to do and how to get started. Something else that caught my attention is DeFi Kingdoms building in the bear market. So we can see this timeline. We see the notable feature releases. Well, we know about the DFK dual launch. We know about Dark Summoning, Jeweler 2.0, which happened in November of 2022. Then we see Serendale relaunch December 2022 and Jewel power-ups. And we should be expecting more power-ups coming very, very soon. So there's going to be very bullish, because I'm going to show you another tab where it actually shows how much CJEWEL we have locked up. And I'm not going to lie to you, it's a lot of CJEWEL locked up right now. And then the newest release is the lock token utility. So you can defer game fees by using locked game tokens, Crystal or Jade, and win blessings of rare items in exchange for unlocked or locked game tokens. And also the team commitment to communication and to the community. So since June 2022, we've seen 34 conducted AMAs, man. So a new AMA every Thursday, just keeping the community up to date on what's going on within DeFi Kingdoms. And you won't never have to ask, like, okay, what's the update or when something new is getting put out. They telling you what's going on in the AMAs. And then we can see 10 proposals voted by the community so far, and then giveaways to the community in form of contests and raffles. So it's been 455 Gen 0 Hero NFTs so far, and then 2,500 other items, material, and pet egg NFTs. Total, they gave out $1 million of value in giveaways. So that's a lot of giveaways. If you know how to enter, you could have entered a chance to win some Gen 0 Hero NFTs and other items in pet eggs, and they just give it away, man. So that's a lot of money, and especially in the bear market, $1.5 million in giveaways. It's showing you really believe in the project, not only the project, but it's showing you appreciate the community for actually participating in the game and playing it. So very, very bullish on that. It just makes me love DeFi Kingdoms even more. And like I said, Jewel and the CJEWEL lockup. So right now I'm on Data DApp, and we can see the CJEWEL as of right now. So total CJEWEL deposited. So on February 23rd, it's been about $22 million of CJEWEL that's been deposited so far. And that's a lot of CJEWEL. That's almost like, I believe, at least a quarter or less than a quarter of the circulating supply. So that's very bullish in my eyes. Just seeing, people actually believing in this game and locking up their jewel to get CJEWEL and play the game, working how it's supposed to be worked. And we can see in the past 7 days, if you would have locked up your money, you get a return of 6%. So not too bad. And when we scroll down, now we do see a almost like a downtrend as far as returns, but the more CJEWEL get locked up, the more the APR is going to go down, of course. But at the same time, I believe, it's more than just getting that APR, but actually getting benefits in the game, actually getting those power-ups and things like that. And it's going to pretty much help your heroes in the end if you use them properly. So we can see the CJEWEL inflow versus outflow. Now, these past couple of weeks, we have been seeing a lot of outflow of CJEWEL, but at the same time, that's bullish as well, because we know if you withdraw your CJEWEL early, there is a 50% burned. So half of that will get burned if you decide to withdraw early. So it really encourages people to stick in the jeweler for a long term. And if you don't, you know the prices you have to pay to withdraw your jewel. But also, not only that, like I said, with the burn, it takes more jewel out of the circulation, and it just makes it more scarce and makes the value go up, man. So if you picking up what I'm putting down, I'm telling you, this is bullish no matter what, because even if they withdraw the C jewel, we still see a burn at the end of the day. And we can see inflows. Now, inflows have been kind of going down, but we see in the past day or so, we see it's been about 12,000 C jewel locked inside the jeweler. So very, very bullish in my personal opinion. Like I said, on a couple of days, we do see negative outflows in the jeweler, but you know, a lot of people understand that at the end of the day, the longer you keep it in there, the bigger the return. Then we can see the C jewel fees collected. Now it also is a slight downtrend, but I gotta tell you, we are still in a bear market, so I'm not really just, you know, too much tripping over that. But we like to see the fees add up, because the fees get redistributed amongst the people in the actual jeweler, amongst the holders who hold C jewels. So that's also bullish. And then once we go over to heroes, we can see hero summoning is still happening every day, and it's been very consistent throughout February. Now, guys, it is time for the giveaway. So what I'm gonna do is I chose this Twitter picker, and it pretty much is gonna pick who won the contestants for me, and I believe this is the fair way to do it. I wouldn't personally want to pick it or draw it out a hat or anything, because it's very tedious. So we're gonna use a Twitter picker and just see who wins the giveaway. So we got the entries. So it's 126 entries loaded. So we're gonna hit continue, and let's see, man. Let's see who win these heroes. So we're gonna begin to draw and just see who has won the hero today and who has won some pet eggs today. So boom, our 3 winners. Shout out to John, he's the first winner. T Lovers and Sigel. So this is the winners. These are the winners right here. Appreciate everybody for tuning in. I will still be doing giveaways throughout the year, because I want to build up the community. I want to give more people a chance to actually play the game. So next giveaway, I might have it to where if you don't own any heroes, get in the game, just to give you a jump start on what's going on. I might even do a couple of jewels just for some gas tokens, so you'll actually be able to play the game, man, and enjoy it in the bear market. So that's my video for today. If you see your name as a winner, I'm going to actually post a tweet for the winners as well. So if you didn't watch the video, don't worry about it. I'm going to post it on Twitter. Just make a tweet about who won it, and then we'll go from there. So, Crypto Cho, that's my video for today. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. I'm out of here.